This Week at Work is the only show about the workplace that offers you front row seats and a microphone, featuring experts in human resources and employment law to bring you practical, timely, and accurate insights so you can more effectively lead your organization. It's Thursday, September 5th, episode 294. Today, with an aging population and declining birth rates driving a potential worker shortage, you'd expect confidence in job security to be at an all-time high. However, employees are left wondering if the only thing they have to fear is AI itself. But the most immediate threat to their job is more likely to be their colleague who workshopped some best use cases for AI, not the intelligence itself. Well, we're joined by special guest Christopher Brock, whose early passion for coding has positioned him as a key influencer in the AI movement. He's here to help us take one small step toward AI and one giant leap for your value at work. All this and more on This Week at Work.